Hi! In front of me is SONY Xperia 10V, and today I would like to show you how you can remove saved password from Google Passwords Autofill. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Google section. Now tap on your Google account if you have more than one, and make sure that the right one is on. Then select Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Finally, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. Enter your current login method and click on Delete button. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!